Old friend, it's been a while, I ain't spoke to you in years. Oftentimes boys from this town put down wheels and disappear. Mrs. Cole asked about you just 3 days back, and I had no answer to give her. I told her that you moved way out west to write some songs that go a little more bitter. Kids talk about you around here like you're some kind of legend. I wondered if they know 1,000 sunrises ago you were eager just like that. But if you ever decide to bring the pain you cried to the side of the city, the porch light on from the post you lean on, before you wound upon the wrong side of pity. Oftentimes pray for you and oftentimes I don't. Say goodbyes I told you without hopes. Never stay long cause you won't stop or run. You wait for tomorrow until the morning's not coming. Well, hi there pluckers, I've a sore fingers again with you with another song from Bryan, a new one. I think this one, a song called Oklahoma City. This is the version where he's sat in the back of his truck playing, okay. Standard tuning, but I do have a capo on the fret 5, 5th fret capo, okay. Right, so the introduction, the chords for the song are basically the same all the way through. Intro, verse and chorus, alright. So basically playing an F chord, bar chord, to a C, to a G, to an A minor. And that's all the chords in it, all the way through the song, just goes round and round and round, okay. So the introduction, F bar chord to a C, and what you do on this is that, okay. So what I'm doing, you play the C, and then what you do is you hammer, open up from the open third with this second finger, hammer into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string along with the B string, the 2nd string, okay. So it's, and then take that finger off the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, open the 3rd string up and play the 3rd string open with the 2nd string. Okay, so I'm playing the 3rd string and the 2nd string together. First time I'm hammering into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string and then open 3rd string and 2nd string together, keeping that 1st fret of the 2nd string fretted from the C chord, yeah. Then play the 2nd fret of the 4th string, put that 2nd finger back on the 2nd fret of the 4th string, and then open 4th string, okay. So if you hit the 3rd string as well at the same time, open 3rd string, that doesn't matter, okay. So far we've got this. Okay, I actually do play the 3rd string along with that. Hammer into that 2nd fret on the 4th with the 3rd string open at the same time, and then play the open 4th and the 3rd string together. Okay, so okay, and then what we do is we play a G chord, strum on a G chord, yeah. What we're doing there is G, and open up the 5th string, the A string, hammer into it onto the 2nd fret and play the 4th string along with it as well, open, okay. And then do the same on the 4th string, hammer into the 2nd fret of the 4th string with that 2nd finger there, and the open 3rd string along with it, okay. And then open 4th and open 3rd. So, right, open 4th and open 3rd together there to finish, okay. And then to an A minor. Then you just repeat the whole thing, okay. So it's F, C, G. Very slowly. Okay, and then once you've gone that a couple of times, obviously he's got a fiddle player with him in the back of the van, but just goes, I went straight into the verse, okay, and then it's plain sailing, it's just strumming. Sometimes he stops and just plays each individual chord. Just goes F, old friends, C, G, just keeps going like that all the way through the song and the chorus. But when you get to the end of the verse, he just stays on the A minor for an extra bar and just does there goes a wonder if you know 1,000 sunrise ago, you're eager, just like them. Okay, there's an extra bar on the A minor, and then it goes into the chorus, which is exactly the same 4 chords, F. But if you ever decide to bring your pain, any pride back to the side of Oaklahoma City. And sometimes he just plays the chords, you know. Just have to listen to it and play what you think you hear, okay? But that's it, there's nothing else in the song, okay? I can tell you nothing else about it. Thanks very much for listening, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.